Hi everybody, I'm back. I don't know what it is about the holidays, but I don't stop when it comes to crafting. So I have another inspiration video. Scrapbooking with me made these adorable embellishment clips, and I am just on a clip kick going on right now. So I know you guys are too, because I've made about a truckload of the other clips. So now I've started doing these. Now, the best part about these, there's always the best part about every project, but you don't need to measure anything. And they're just as simple as they look, and you would be surprised that they are like clips. Like, they literally will hold your stuff. I did do a little twist to her tutorial, which was add these, but I didn't do it on all of them, and you can see it's so simple to do. And it's Christmas, so I did mostly Christmas, but I just did some random ones. And as you can see, it's like two papers here, and we're just gonna use these as clips. And I did another one, which was just another random one. And now this one I left because I want you to see this. How we adhere this on is depending how this is going to sit on your paper. So here I went a little too low, and as you can see on some of my other ones, they go down a little bit deeper. So you want to be careful with that. Okay, you can do this two ways, and you don't have to do circles. You could do any shape you want. But she did use circles in hers, and I like that. You could do hearts, whatever. I'm using my Hip Kit nesting circle dies because, number one, I love them. But number two, this is an option. You can just use your punches, but I don't have the next circle size up from this because the EK one is awful. Sorry, I should have taken it off. It's kind of stuck. It's an awful, like, it just doesn't work like this one. I don't know why. So I've had two of them and I had to throw them out. So you're going to pick two circles, and you're going to grab, like, it doesn't have to be chipboard, just a little bit heavier cardstock. Like, they sell these in Hobby Lobby, Michael's. It doesn't have to be too heavyweight. This is like the very probably 70-pound, which isn't too much. And I can link some for those who don't have those stores. I'll link it so you know which one to get. Actually, it depends how thick you want it. But what she had done is take hers and glue it and then punch it out. For me, I like it better to do it this way. So I already punched two out here, and you can see the size here. So it's just like, you know, any shape, however big you want it. And then you're going to take, you know, the same size as that's, but in your paper print. And that is what's going to give you that stability on the clip. And what are we going to do? Easy peasy. We're going to glue this on. And I know you guys are going to love this if you guys are on my clip kick. Because I was looking at, you know, to see who else had done hidden clips. And this popped up. And I don't watch YouTube often, believe it or not. And just lately, I'm like, you know what? I need to look on YouTube more because there's a lot of inspiration out there. Besides, sometimes it's exhausting coming up with your own, and it's really nice to just go to another channel and be like, oh yeah, you know, like I could do that too and show my viewers that. So I just glued that on both of them, and we're literally just gluing that on, guys. Like, I'm just taking it, and remember, however deep this goes, because when you push it down, it's going to kind of already, you know, it's going to smudge down a little bit. I don't know, you could use tape. I haven't tried tape. Maybe tape would work better, but I feel like glue just has a little bit better grip for this. And I'll do a couple with you guys because I think these are fun. And I just glittered mine up because it's Christmas time. Bandit, please. Bandit, it's okay. It's probably someone walking by. I opened the window for him, my mistake. So if I scream in your ear for him to hush, sorry. So there's that one. Okay, how pretty and simple. We did that, and it's like the video hasn't even been 5 minutes yet. Bandit! Okay. And I'm gonna go ahead and put that one aside, and let's do some more. So, okay, let me show you what I did here. So for this one, I did use a smaller one, and I used my little adhesive things, and I just, you know, punched it out and put it on there. That's the only difference I did with this one. And I thought that was a fun different touch to add on here so you can switch it up. And these would make it like a great paper clip or bookmark actually. So you could also, here, let's just do some more. I'm gonna stop babbling and we'll do more. I also want to show you, you can add a die cut on there, which is really pretty. Well, let me just grab a couple of these. Since it's Christmas time, I better do some Christmas. I'll use this side. And I had done this tutorial yesterday, and I'm sorry, but this Frankie, he sold out of this. This was nowhere to be found when I went to link it for you guys. There's a few like random papers left, but is this blurry? Sorry guys, the weather is just not okay. Make sure I have him right. Again, just go to the top so it's really deep. So it, you know, hangs on like a real clip. And what was I going to show you? Oh yeah, so it doesn't have to be this flat. Obviously, you don't want it to always be flat. You can do like, you know, add a bow, put foam tape and add a bow, and there'll be like a bow hanging on there. I feel like this is a little too busy for this, but let's just see how it looks. I meant to do some like this, so I'm just taking some foam tape. It wants to stick to me and not the paper. Wow, why are you not sticking? Oh no, I ordered some more tape and glue. It's just Amazon Prime is not Amazon Prime when it's the holidays. They're like, it's whenever we say it's gonna be. So if you add a little bow, this is a little too busy for this paper, but again, I just want to see how it kind of looks hanging, and look at how sweet that's gonna be. Okay, Santa, you've got too much Santa going on. This is a busy print, so, but that is just adorable. So you can hang your little dies on there too. All right, and I really like that. So we'll do one more of these. But is everyone obsessed with the clips and doing them like crazy? Because I have been. I have some planner stuff from my friend tomorrow that I'm meeting, and she likes vintage Santas, and I made her a vintage Santa one. So I think she's gonna like that. She's not crafty, but so I'm gonna, you know, I'm telling you, none of my friends are crafty. I really would love to start one of those workshops local like they have overseas. I think that would be so much fun, but I don't even know where to begin. And no one lives over here. I feel like everyone lives on the West Coast, or if they do live here, there's just not many. There's not many of us. But maybe they'll start coming out of the woodworks. I don't know. If I like did a workshop or something. Do you guys ever see those overseas how they do them in Europe? I'm like, what? Like, they didn't even have paper in Europe, and now there's workshops. I'm missing out on all of this. Okay. Let's just do Santa's beard, because why not? There we go. And I have to say, in this month's hip kit, we got the Nuvo dots, and I am really, really liking it. Actually, my next project is going to be using them, but look at this glitter one. I don't know if you can see that. Oh my goodness, why did I pick a cloudy day to do glitter? So that is it, but it's like a silver glitter type thing. So anyways, I think I ran out of chipboard pieces. I have that one little one, but that's not gonna work. So that's the clips, but aren't they fun? And remember, like, also if you're doing an album, this is a great way to stick on the side too, like a side tab. But you could see like here, so you know I'm not crazy and that it's not gonna hold. It really holds because of that cardstock. So you see I have 3 papers in there, and they're holding really well. And then I had this one on a bag, so if you wanted to close a little bag up and seal it, you can see how that works. And look, I promise, you can even like put a little baggie in there. I was like, there's no way that's gonna hold it. So yeah, it'll hold it. All right, guys, I am so excited. I love the holidays, and this is so much fun just doing all this with you all. And I'm definitely going to do the library pocket too. And look, I'm crazy about this tinsel too. It's like, if you're doing a gift, a good gift idea, you could do little paper packs. Like you guys know, I do so many tutorials, and I have a lot of papers like this size, and you can put little pieces, because I know people love scraps, especially when they don't have a collection, and just give them a bunch of, you know, of your scrap paper that you know that they're gonna love. And use tinsel. You gotta use the tinsel. All right, guys, I will be back with another tutorial soon. Thank you so much.